Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yep, I'm still here at Superior Auto Sales. They had another car here I wanted to record really quick, even though I just did that, the Smoking the Bandit edition, which was really cool. But they do have a McLaren here, so I want to show you guys really quick. This one is really nice also. But like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below, hit that bell for notifications, so this way you always know when I'm putting content out. But so then I'm going to show you. Yeah, this is a beautiful McLaren right here. This is really, I'm not sure of the year, but I'm sure I will find it out with the keys. Yeah, the SLR. Air dam on the bottom. Nose on this car is, the front end is long. Oh, that is sick. Love that. Okay. I was gonna stay right there. I do not want this thing dropping on me because I know it won't feel good. Yeah, this is nice too. Man, they always have such beautiful cars here. Getting into this is going to be a little bit of a project. Oh, God, it's like sitting in a fighter jet. What year it is, I don't know. But this McLaren is sweet. Wow. Nice two-tone interior. This is beautiful. Love it. These seats are so comfortable. Carbon fiber. All sorts of little. That's for I have no idea. Yeah, this is really cool. But those doors going up like that is hot. Man. All these buttons for things, I don't know what they do. I'm not touching them, except for this one I will. That's the radio. But yeah, this is really cool. Yeah, solid seats, nice ceiling. It's actually not too bad with the front end. Hey, what's going on, man? One of the owners peeking in on me here. Oh, man. I want to take this car home. Jeez. Yeah, you're going to hear noise. You're going to see the guys working. You're going to hear the announcements and that. But it is what it is. Man, look at the size. That thing that holds the door up. Oh God, getting out of this thing is not exactly the easiest. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up both of these doors. That is cool. This is so neat. And you just open it up all on its own. I do love it though, they let me play with these cars. I have so much fun doing it. Man. That is so cool. But I'm definitely getting a good picture of this. You know you're going to hear noise. Oh yeah, this car is super cool. Gotta love McLarens. especially when you get to play with them. I'd love to take this outside. Man. These doors are shut real easy. They do go up higher. Look at the hinge setup on this. Right into the roof. The doors are actually, they feel so light. Shutting them. They shut nice and easy too. Man. It just shuts so easy. Oh, look at the metallic in the paint. You can catch that. It is black. Yeah, it doesn't take much to close them. But to even open them, I mean, you just push it.
Welcome.
Oh, yeah. Gotta love these cars, man. Man. Alright guys, I'm going to conclude this one right here because I'm getting hungry and I need to eat. Yeah, I do have a lot of fun playing with these cars, but unfortunately, my day comes to an end. So, if you like these videos, leave a comment down below, like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications, and I'll see you on the next one.